Hi guys, today we talk about Google Pixel 8. It's launched on October 2023. The dimensions of Google Pixel 8: height 5.93 inch, width 2.79 inch, the thickness is 8.9 mm, and the weight 187 grams. The build of Google Pixel 8: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display type of Google Pixel 8: it's come with OLED 16 color screen type. The screen size is 6.2 inch with 85.5% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p with 428 ppi density. The refresh rate of Google Pixel 8 is 120Hz with 2000 nits peak of brightness, and the screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Let's talk about the platform of Google Pixel 8. It's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Google Tensor G3 4nm, and the CPU is Nona Core Cortex X3, and the GPU Modulus G715S. The memory of Google Pixel 8 is 8 gigs of RAM and 128 to 56 gigs of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera of Google Pixel 8, it's come with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The front camera is 10.5 megapixel and it's record 4K 60 fps video too. The battery of Google Pixel 8, it's come with 4575 mAh battery. The charging is 127 watt fast and the wireless charging is 18 watt, and it's for reverse wireless charging too. The common and the feature of Google Pixel 8, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speakers, infrared port, NFC, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, UFS 3.1 and IP68, dust and water resistant. And the price of Google Pixel 8 is $419.